Every MAN-RG compressor starts its journey in Berlin, where the main components, such as the gearset for the compressor unit, are manufactured, assembled, and tested at our own production facilities. This ensures the highest quality, as all parts are monitored by our specialists. Each gearset leaving Berlin is balanced and undergoes a test run to guarantee the highest quality and best satisfaction. After production, the gearset is transported to Oberhausen for final assembly. First, the compressor volutes are put through a hydraulic pressure test. The volutes and radial impeller are then attached to the gearset casings, and the machine side piping is added. We then conduct a variety of tests, including mechanical and performance tests. In addition to our standard speed and leakage test of the gearset in Berlin, we offer both a no-load mechanical running test or a full-load performance test with the RG compressor, depending on customer requests. Finally, the MAN-RG compressor is carefully packed and then shipped to its destination by land, sea, or air. One such destination is Brevik in Norway, where Heidelberg Materials is building the world's first large-scale CO2 capture plant for cement production.